Hello friends, welcome to our channel. How you guys doing? This is Fab Crypto. Alright, so I hope you guys are doing well. Right, so today's video, guys, we're diving into Bitcoin to know what is going on. Okay, there's a lot of panicking, what is going on Bitcoin, on the crypto space, as Bitcoin is going down all this while. So if you take a look on our videos ever since, we've been telling you guys that prepare, that we are correcting. Okay, and definitely we're going to break this low, guys. Right, we'll be saying that over and over and over again, and actually it hasn't occurred yet, but at least we are close to a breaking here. All right, so today we are going to show you how you can trade this, guys, how you can trade this and make a lot of money even as Bitcoin is coming down. Okay, so if you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe and kindly pay attention to this video. All right, so let's dive into Bitcoin chart proper now. So this is 4 hours. We've seen that ever since the Bitcoin market has been correcting. So this is what they call a complex correction. Okay, a complex correction. It started with 3 wave up, 1, 2, 3, 3 wave down, kind of 3 wave up again, 3 wave down. So when you see this kind of thing, it is very difficult for kind of a beginner to input this. So but the only thing we do now, understanding the structure, we can easily balance it by saying this is a 3 wave up. Okay, this is 1, 2, we're expecting something down here. So this down can break this, but you see that for this to break this, okay, let me use a different color so that you can understand it well. All right, so we have a 3 wave here, 1, 2, 3. This is 1. We have 1, 2, 3. This is 2. Okay, so we're having 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this 3 now is, this is one that is forming now. This 3 is forming. So this one can eventually break this. Okay, so but if this one breaks this low, bear in mind that there will be a fast pullback that might complete the last wave. We're expecting a retracement that will cover this, guys. Okay, we're expecting a retracement that will match 1, 2, 3. Okay, so but this one, this last wave now can either be like this, breaking this low, coming up like this, okay, or it's like this and it didn't break. But what we are looking at now, definitely there might be a break on this. So don't mind my chart, it looks a little cluster here, but just understand that there are fractal nature of the market. Okay, degrees upon degrees upon degrees upon degrees of a market movement. All right, so now let's dive into 1 hour so we can see what is being said of the chart. Now yesterday we are here, okay, we are here somewhere here, and I was thinking, okay, maybe this is actually going to give us 3 wave and push up, but actually it didn't give us. Instead it breaks this low. So we are still in that correction, and you can see here clearly that we are like this wave. Okay, we are seeing a kind of running flat here. There might still go down more. All right, it might go down to tag this low. Okay, so from here we might see another bounce back. So but the way it is now is kind of 90% bearish. So the next trade you can take now is positioning yourself at the break of this guy, which is closer based on where you are watching this. Positioning yourself here, guys, in case you watched it earlier long, you can position yourself here using the Bybit link below. Okay, sign up on Bybit and you'll be able to make money as Bitcoin is even going down. Position yourself here as market is breaking down, you are here. Then you position yourself here. If it's going up, you're there. All right, yesterday we traded this. We traded we saw a little big pattern here. Okay, yesterday I was like, I traded this. Okay, the break of this, we traded this one yesterday. Okay, so now this supposed, everything being equal, this supposed to go up like this, but let's watch out and see how it's going to be. So what we're expecting from based on this chart, if you look at it in another way, if you go to 15 minutes, there's another pattern is giving us. So this pattern might be a kind of head and shoulder pattern. If this thing hold without breaking this low, guys, if the market hold without breaking this low, which is likely, then expect market to break out. Okay, so for you not to miss out, all you need to do is to wait for this market to hold above this previous low. Okay, hold above this. So if you hold above this, that is very good. So we can see this to be our first impulse, and this is a correction, and there we go. And if you look at it from 15 minutes, it's like head and shoulder, which is more likely to occur. Okay, so 15 minutes is telling us another thing, 1 hour is telling us another thing. So which one do we take? Well, 15 minutes might play out before the 1 hour comes, but if 15 minutes pattern plays out, it might cancel the 1 hour charts because they are closer. All right, so in 15 minutes we can see that this bounce, if he holds here, okay, so and this bounce already here again, then what we'll be expecting is head and shoulder. Okay, and you can position yourself here to be on the safe side, and that will take you in and ride on the wave. All right, so if you go to Ethereum, let's see what's going on. Okay, that's very good. You see, last time we made a video explaining to you guys that we are having, if this is a first impulse, well, we need to have 3 waves down. Okay, that is small a, b, c. That completes the big B. Okay, before we'll now start seeing the big C up there. All right, so the level is still there on the chart, so that is what we are still expecting. So we hope that this B wave doesn't break this low, guys. Doesn't break this low. So we're expecting it, let it not break, because if it breaks this low, that disqualifies the pattern, and we are looking for another thing entirely. All right, so we're expecting it because this looks like A, this looks like B, this looks like C. Okay, this looks like C, making it a 3 wave here. All right, so now this internal ABC is completed. All right, so we're expecting a bounce here. So let's watch out for this bounce and see if we can identify a pattern here that the market will be bouncing off. Okay, so that is on Ethereum. So if you take a look on 1 hour, is there any visible, tangible pattern? All right, I think now everything is still bearish. So there might still be another one drop before coming up. All right, I'll still be another one drop. Okay, guys, if you take a look on Cardano, you can see Cardano has given us look at this one. We made it clear this is B, so this is C. So this C is expected to break this low. Okay, it's expected to break this low, guys. So we're expecting it to end somewhere here before it comes up here. Let me give you a clear picture of Cardano, guys. What to expect on Cardano? It looks clean now. Okay, so we should be expecting the wave to end somewhere here. Okay, why we make it clear, this might be A, B, C, guys. So as it comes here, you're expecting to come up here. Okay, so making this a complex B structure, and then down we go. All right, so you can see that most of the markets, they are just correcting and they are into complex correction. Okay, so in this scenario, all you need to do is, in case you've not taken profit, you just need to wait until the market bounces back, because if you take profit here now, definitely the market will go lower and you'll be happy, and after that it comes higher than that. How will you feel? Okay, so the only thing that you need in this market is to understand how the market moves. All right, because we've been taking a lot of profits here, telling you guys, hey, Cardano is correcting. Okay, Cardano will go down, and you can see it's happening already, and it has happening already. So that's one thing you need to understand, how market moves, guys, because every market is following suit. If you go to Binance Coin, you can see the same thing. Look at this. Our analysis is still here, guys, and the market hasn't changed. So we see that This is a correction, so we're expecting it to break down. How low are we going from there? If you take a look from from daily charts, okay, from daily charts, we might go lower than this. We might touch 115, okay? You might touch 115. That makes it this, and this, guys. Okay, 115 before actually if the market is going to bounce or not. All right, so you can see that every market is just correcting itself. This is just a correction of this massive bull run we've seen in the past. All right, so don't panic. If you go to Ripple, everything is follow suit. So Ripple is the same thing applies here, the same thing applies here. So what you should be expecting is, I think Ripple on is more of a bit complex. Well, this is this, so we're expecting it to come down here, okay? But there will be a bounce. A bounce is coming in Ripple, okay? Expect this bounce, guys, because the way this structure looks, okay, this is, if you call this A or B, there should be a balance to this. So we have this, so expect something like this, guys. Something like this is coming. All right, guys, I wish you the best. Kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video as I see you in the next.